Laying low, no place to go.
Slept his patient in the hospital is just shrinking everywhere. Omo, they don't drag the man tire. Oh, you saw it today. Oh. Me, I was not even surprised. Men will always be men.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talk with Fresh. It's your favorite girl, and I know it's been a minute, but I bring you guys another movie, and the name of the movie is A Letter to My Husband. Now, this movie you can watch it at Uchenna Umbanubu TV. This movie was produced by Chinenye Nnebe, and it's starring Chinenye Nnebe, Maurice Chisom Awuike, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie, I must really give it to Chinenye Nnebe. She is a wonderful producer. And I don't know if she's the one that wrote the script, but if she is, I really need to give her a good thumbs up. Like, her storylines are always so beautiful. And for this movie, we have three basic lessons. Number one, don't overthink things. Please, especially if you're a couple, learn to communicate, learn to talk things out. Don't let yourself get manipulated by other people's insecurities. Now, the second lesson is people say the wrong things. People can mistakenly just say the wrong things. I don't think everybody should be judged by maybe one wrong statement that comes out from their mouth. Now, the third lesson is not everything that seems bad is bad. There are legal grounds for certain actions, and this movie properly portrayed it. You can see in this movie that there were legal grounds for abortion of the child to save the mother's life. So, not everything that we term bad is actually bad. I think this movie is a must watch because you definitely will learn something. Now, at this point, this is where I need to say please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Subscription is totally free, and we're 10 more subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. You guys can do it. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your comments. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this movie. Thank you. Mwah.